Okay, now I want to move on to precondition strengthening and postcondition weakening. But before I do that, I want to talk about the terms strong and weak that we use in this course. So, usually speaking, a stronger term is something that tells you more information. It's more useful. And stronger statements imply weaker statements. So that's how you can tell when something's strong or something weak. So, for example, if I have this statement A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 3, that's more information, that's more restrictive than knowing that A is equal to 1 and B is 3 or greater. So, because if you assume the left-hand side, you can then derive the right-hand side, right? If B is equal to 3, then certainly 3 is greater than or equal to 3. So this statement here is the stronger statement, this statement here is the weaker statement. For the same reason, if A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 3, if I assume this to be true, then I can certainly derive that A is equal to 1. I'm already given that fact. I just ignore the fact that B is greater than or equal to 3. So again, this term on the left we call stronger, and this term on the left we call weaker. Now, an interesting tidbit to keep in mind is that the strongest statement of all is going to be false. And the reason is because if you assume false, you can derive anything. False implies any predicate P. So false is the strongest thing there is. It's in fact impossibly strong because it can never be true. It tells you the most there is to be told, because if you know that false is true, you can derive literally anything. Similarly, true is the weakest statement there is. True tells you literally nothing because true is always true. Any predicate P implies true. So true is the weakest thing there is, and false is the strongest thing there is.